Welcome to my channel. Today I am making banana custard. Take milk as required. Add sugar to it. Add 3 or 4 cardamom. Stir it well. Add water in the bowl. Add custard to it. Mix it well. Add mixture of custard into milk. Stir it properly. Custard mixture is ready. Cut the cake into pieces. Put the cake pieces in the bowl. Then add custard to it. Cut the banana into pieces. Now for topping, I use banana. Now it's time for adding jelly. Banana custard is ready.